I was just opening my window and happened to notice this really, really big crow. And hold on, it's focusing on my screen. He's just cawing over there by a puddle of water. On this lovely spring day. It's a pretty big bird. Look how pretty it is outside today. View from my window. This is the front of the house, by the way. I don't know, I was just over here, opening my window, and I was like, whoa, that's a big bird. There he goes. He's on the tree now. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Beautiful sunny day. I'm not showing my face because I look like crap. I think that this is our neighbor's ball in our yard. I'll show you. See that big ball? This big plastic ball. I think it's theirs next door. I don't know. Well, see you guys later. So we have all these holes in our backyard, and now I know why. Because I had to like Google it online, and I thought it was going to be like gophers or, you know, something like that. But they said that it might be squirrels. And I caught him digging in the lawn. They say they bury their acorns or something. And so he's digging them up. Sorry, this is really shaky. I should get my tripod. He's so fat and furry. There was one this winter. He was like curled up on this branch right here by my window. It was so cute. I have a picture of it, but yeah. Let's see what this little guy's doing. He's looking for food. Oh, he got some acorn. So cute. There's all kind of creatures in our yard. There's foxes. I've seen a fox run across our driveway. It looked like a dog when I looked at it really quick, and then I realized it was a fox. We have deer. Bunny rabbits all over the place. You mainly see them at nighttime, like when you're pulling in the driveway and your headlights flash them, you see them running. Squirrels. That's all that I've seen so far. But since I live like pretty much by the woods, I have all these creatures in our yard. Well, that's another little clip of the animals today. It's been a lot of little creatures, but yep, see ya. My dog sees a squirrel outside. Now the other dog's barking because one started barking. There's a bird right here. It was like flicking the mulch everywhere. Can you see the bird? Romeo, stop. Look how pretty that bird is. It has yellow on its head. It's like, what is that noise? And the squirrel is... where is see. There you go. This is why I love spring, because of all the beautiful animals. And the pretty bird.